Gasha International School, where learning inspires a brighter future. Every child has a dream. At Gasha, we provide the right environment for those dreams to grow. At Gasha International School, we provide our students with a safe, modern, and comfortable learning environment, where every student can confidently develop their abilities and reach their full potential. Our modern classrooms are designed to make learning comfortable, interactive, and engaging with a smart technology that brings lesson to life. Beyond the classroom, our art room and science labs give students the opportunity to explore technology, express their creativity, and learn through practical experiments. These spaces turn learning into real experiences and help students discover their talents. With dedicated teachers and modern teaching methods, we encourage our students to think independently, ask questions, solve problems, and believe in themselves. Our goal is not simply for our students to achieve high grades. We aim to develop confident, motivated, thoughtful, and capable individuals who are ready to face challenges and opportunities of the future. Build a brighter future with Gasha International School.